something happening here, but what it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware. I think it's time we stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. There's battle lines being drawn. Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds are getting so much resistance from behind. Time we stopped. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody
Done a little bit of prep work on the engine bay. Still needs to scotch it down ready for paint. Cut out the front tubs and all the unwanted tabs and stuff like that. So it's looking pretty good. Under the arches needs cleaning up before we start painting, so it's filthy. Under the rear, all the subframes have been taken off. Needs cleaning up under there as well, to be fair. And all under the arches and stuff. Bit of filler work down there where there's a bit of damage. Yes, Sam! I was actually fucking videoing as well. Right, another little update on the rear end. Cleaned the hole underneath, up inside the arches, under the boot floor, and also this arch here. There's a little bit of surface rust on the arch just here, so we ground that down, put some rust treatment on there. Works pretty decent, to be fair, this Hammerite stuff. It's cost us like £3 or £4 from the local body shop. We just dropped out standard fuel tank, and it's pretty clean under here, to be fair. The old brake lines are a bit rusty, but we're going to change them anyway, and disconnected all the fuel pipes from up here. Trailing arm pockets, they've got a little bit of surface rust, so we'll just put some rust treatment on that. We've stripped down the hole underneath of the car, cleaned it all up and schutzed it also as well. We brought some rear strengthening plates from Born to Drift. They pretty much stopped the body from cracking, and also done the trailing arm ones as well, both sides. We stripped down all where the rust spots were, just where it had been hitting the ground before, and puffed some schutz over that. So we're just in the process of schutzing it all up, so hopefully it should look pretty fresh under there. There'll be more coming, so just give us a like and subscribe and keep updated.